Hello everyone, today I show you how to draw star in Photoshop in any version. Just click new and you select any what you want here, size here which you want, and create, and you have this, and you go to the right, create a new layer. So you can go to this and select polygon tool, and here you can choose 3, 4 or any what you want, and click save. Yeah, you can change color here. Yeah, okay, one more. Okay, here I take smooth here, and then I get a 4, save. Yeah, change color here, change color. So I do one more, still 4, but here not smooth. Save, change. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, start here. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.